Peco's venture into the laser cut kit market continues with a selection of 3 here from Arisaig, based on the West Highland Railway line. And well, here we've got the station building, the platform shelter and the signal box. Now this is a location which is fantastic for scenic modelling. It's a beautiful corner of the world, and these 3 kits will get you halfway there to building a layout on that particular location. So if we just take a look at the station kit, we'll see what's in the packaging. Now usually you get a few pieces of laser cut wood to build the sort of basic structure of the building, and then you get some overlays to go with it, and then of course you get your injection molded chimney pots. So these are quite common. We've seen these across a few of its kits. Here you've got the what looks to be I'm guessing here because I haven't read the instructions, but it's a good way to have a quick look. So you've got a selection of what appears to be your chimneys. You've got your barge boards at the end of the building. You've got your roof line, which is all laser cut, so the slates on the roof will require a little bit of painting just to bring out the detail, but it's great that that is all done for you and there's no faffy overlays to add on to the top of the roof. And then what have we got here? So yes, it's even annotated, so you got platform side to make sure you get the components the right way around if there's any doubt. And I have to say the laser that's used to cut these kits is very, very fine. I mean, these aren't very, very thick pieces of wood to start with, but the cuts are very precise, and the effect that's been achieved with the tiles, the slates rather, of this kit really is fantastic. Not sure how easily that picks out on camera, but I can imagine after a coat of paint that will really bring out the detail. And the last one there. So let's have a look at the instructions quickly just to see what's what. A little bit more involved these than some of the previous kits we've seen. So we've got a total of what looks to be 23 steps. So starting off with the basics, you then effectively assemble what is a frame into which you can, I mean, just imagine the detail you can add inside there if you really want to take it a step further. You've even got the trusses for the roof. So from on the underside it should certainly look very accurate, as well as the exterior, and then you've got things like your drain pipe as well to add for the guttering. Really is something else, these kits. Now this is something that we will be looking forward to building actually for the magazine, and the glazing, I haven't seen any glazing in the kit, but I suspect that's because the packaging will double up and give you everything that you need, so there's very minimal waste with this, which is a good thing, because quite often now in kits we've got a lot of plastic going on. So that kit doesn't contain much plastic at all, and just sort of helps the I guess the sustainability factor of our models. Now if you want to have a go at something slightly easier before you tackle that kit, then let's take a look at the platform shelter. So again, the box says easy to assemble. I think that's not to put anyone off, but effectively they have got a point. These are very easy to assemble. Some of these are actually easier to assemble than a card kit, because a card kit quite often requires some precise folding of parts. This is all laser cut, and because it's laser cut, it's just tab and slot construction, and it's not dependent on the angle or how sharp you've folded the various angles to assemble your kit. So as long as you've got a recommended glue, we recommend a laser cut glue that dries quickly over something like a standard PVA. These will go together very, very easily. This kit, you've only got the one board, so all again laser cut detail, tab and slot construction, concise instructions. There's only 4 steps to this one, and this could be put together very, very quickly in, say, an evening in front of the TV if you wanted. Or you could have something like World of Railways TV in the background playing. There you go. And the signal box. So this is sort of the halfway house, if you want, between the two. Take that out of the packaging. So 1, 2, 3 boards with this one, and 5, 10 steps. There you go. So this is sort of the halfway house between the very simple one and the slightly more involved one. So depending on how much time you have to spare, you could start off with, say, the small kit if you've just got a few hours in an evening, or you could tackle one of the other ones over, say, a day at the weekend. There you go. So if you'd like to take a look at this range of kits, take a look at your local Peco stockist, where you'll find the full range of products.